Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to make Instagram carousel post in Canva bulk. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to the Canva, and as you can see, I am already there. Now before doing anything, you just have to enable one thing in the Canva. Then you will be able to create a bulk post easily. Take your mouse to the left and scroll down, and here you can see the option of bulk created. You have to enable it in the Canva, and if you did not see it here, then click on the option apps. And here in the search bar, you have to search for bulk created. Once you will search for it, you can see the option of bulk create. Simply click on it and it will be added here. Now once you will add the option of bulk creation, you can see add your data. Here are two options. Enter data manually or upload your data in these forms. You can also enter your data manually by clicking on the option manually. Here you can write your name, email, and text, plus can add images. Now it's up to you what you want to do. If you want to add data manually, then here you can do it. But if you have the file, then click on the upload file and choose the file from your computer. Just like I will enter the data manually. So I will click on enter data manually and I will choose this option. One more additional thing you have to do. Click on the text and tap on the option to connect data. And here you have the selected text which you want to appear in instead of this. Just like I want to show my name, so I'll select this. And now I will tap on this and click on the option Connect Data. And here I want to show my emails. So now both two are connected. If you want to connect your images, then click on the images and click on Connect Data. Now everything is connected. Click on the option Continue and tap on the Generate New Designs. Here you can see both designs are generated and you can see the name with the email address. The picture was empty, so that's why you are seeing the same picture. So it was the way by which you can generate bulk design in Canva.